Now to the very latest on the coronavirus, and today a 1-year-old becomes the youngest in the state to die from the virus. This comes out of Cobb County. Meantime, more than 2,300 new cases reported today, and that brings the total to 265,372 confirmed cases. And sadly, nearly 5,500 people have died. Testing continues to grow with more than 2.2 million people tested across the state of Georgia.
Well, the FDA has approved a rapid coronavirus test. It's the first that requires no special computer equipment.
And the results come in just minutes. CBS 46's Yasmina Alston joins us live. And Yasmina, what makes these tests so unique?
Well, Rick, this is a $5 rapid test that can give you those results in about 15 minutes. Now, the actual test is about the size of a credit card, and the results, they show up directly on the test. Now, it's made by Abbott, and you can actually then go onto an app to check your results so that you can show it to your employer or at school or wherever you might need to show those results. Now, a healthcare provider does still have to swab your nose, so you can't take this test at home. We spoke with the WellStar Medical Director of Infection Prevention today about this rapid test, and here's what he had to say when we asked him about how accurate this type of test was.
Very, very useful in people who have symptoms. So we have symptoms, you're more likely in that week window when you're probably shedding the most virus of the illness, and therefore this test is just going to be able to tell us exactly what we need in a rapid amount of time. However, we know that this test versus the genetic-based test, where we're looking for the actual RNA of the virus, we call it the PCR-based test, the test we've been using since the very beginning of the pandemic. We know that the PCR-based test is much more sensitive or better at capturing if the virus is present.
And Dr. Brandstetter says what makes this test so unique is that cost. Again, it's only $5 for each of those rapid tests. Live in Atlanta, Yasmina Alston, CBS 46 News.